Hey everyone, in this session, we will be learning about AutoSum function in Excel. Let's get started with the practical mode. Now, on my screen, you can see the sales of 4 quarters from different regions, that is East, West, South, North, and Central. Now, you might want to calculate the sum of sales happened from all the regions in Q1, or you might want to calculate the sum of sales happened in one region of all the 4 quarters. That is, either you want to calculate the sum of all the regions from quarter 1, or you might want to calculate the sum of all the quarters in one region, right? So to do this, you have some simple functions in Excel. So you might say me you have some function, etc., right? For that, you might want to go into the, equals to mode and fetch sum option and subtotal or sum. You have to select the function from here. But what if I tell you that there is one simple, easy shortcut where you just have to make one single click and you'll have all the sum, right? So that seems interesting. So on the top, in the home bar, select home, and on the top right corner, you have the editing group. In editing group, you have aggregation function, that is summation. So you have different aggregations here, sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, more functions. Here, you might want to select the sum, and you can get all the summation numbers here. So I'll select one cell. So the second query where we wanted to calculate the sum of all the sales happened in East region with all the quarters included. That is this one, C2 to F2, right? So let us select G2 and select the AutoSum option. And here it will automatically select the range for you. That is C2 to F2. If you want to change it, you can also, change it, like minimize the number. If you just wanted to calculate the sum of 3 quarters, you can do that. So now we want 4 quarters. So select enter, and there you go. You have all the sales of all the 4 quarters of East region. Now, if you simply drag it, you will have the sum of all the 4 quarters of all different regions. Now, let us calculate the summation of Q1 of all the regions. That is this one. Select AutoSum, and it will automatically select all the cells for you. That is from C2 to C6, right? Press enter and you'll have the summation. Similarly, you can, drag it and you have the numbers here of all the Q2 sales of all the regions, Q3 sales of all region, and Q4 sales of all region. Now, let us try to change the color so that you can have a reference, that is, it's different, it's a total sum, or right, you just have a reference to identify it. Now similarly to this one as well. So that's how you implement AutoSum in Excel. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on AutoSum in Excel.